everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's rainy here in BC today. I hope your weather is a little bit better, but we do need the rain, so thank goodness. Alright, so today I have an unboxing from my SA Mia in Edmonton, Louie, and she just randomly sent me a box. So that was cool. So I don't know what's in it. I have kind of an idea, but who knows? Maybe I haven't bought anything for quite a while, so maybe she's trying to get me to buy stuff. So, but that's fine. So that was really nice, kind package from Louie. Just showed up today, so I thought I would share it with you. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so Louie has new boxes that they have this like strip on. Alright. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a small leather good giveaway along with a hard to find Disney item, and all you have to do is subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you have any requests, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, there we go. So yeah, they have this new strip kind of thing. Yeah, I just never seen anything like it before. Alright, there we go. Yeah, normally I just use the cutter, but you don't need it anymore, but it's still hard to get into. Alright. Here we go. Ah, okay. We're in Louis Vuitton. Yoo-hoo! Alright, let's see what she sent me here. Okay, got some bubble wrap. Can always use that. Alright. Empty. Alright, so she sent me a box. And she sent me a little Louis Vuitton bag, gift bag. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, she sent me a bunch of perfume samples. And let's see here, she sent me a nice card. So well, this is my bag that I'm still rocking here. My Haunted Mansion satchel. My Disney Dooney and Burke. This is my favorite style satchel. This is a very cool bag. There's the bride. Happy haunts. Alright. Alright, let me get my glasses on here so I can actually see something. Alright, so she gave me a card. Okay, that's kind of cool. Alright, dear Susan, I hope you will love the Perfume Samples. Mia, best Mia. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's from their stationery, I guess, with Vivian. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay. All right, and she sent me 2, 4, 6, 8, which was nice. All right, so what do we got here? Let's see. Yeah, these are very hard to read. Okay, this is Sur La Route. Okay, what else here? All right, sheer blatted, something like that. I'm probably butchering the name, so bear with me here. Ah. Okay, Jour Se Leve. Okay. Alright. Origin, like orange. That's for Teddy, my husband. And let's see what else. Oh, this is the one that he has now. Limmensite. This smells really good. Okay, so he's got a couple. And this one is Attrape Reves. Okay. Etoile Filante. Okay. Last but not least, I can't make that out. It looks like Bevereux Emerge? I'm not sure. But I'll list them in my description if you want to check them out. And that's what I got. A surprise from my essay today. So thanks, Mia. I appreciate that. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.